Today I'm brunching it. I'm teaching a home viewer some of my best tricks, y'all.
Hey, darling.
We're firing up the deep fryer, y'all, with my deep fried sweet potato home fries. Nothing like the sound of a fryer.
No.
Especially if it's full of taters, y'all. I've got a little visitor coming in, a little girl that I've never met. I hear the knock right now. Y'all, come on, let's go meet her. Krystal! Hey, darling. I'm great. How are you?
Good. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to see you. I've been waiting for you to get here. It's time for sweet potato home fries.
Oh.
So what we're going to do is just peel these potatoes, and if you would cut them into cubes.
Sure.
Just like for potato salad, about that size.
Sure.
And we're going to boil these for about 10 minutes before we fry them up. Well, we're in here in the kitchen cooking up some wonderful breakfast and brunch things with my little friend Krystal here. So I'm gonna just put our sweet potatoes into the fryer. Still got a little water on them. It's all right, it won't last but just a second. All right, so we're gonna drop these down, and remember, y'all, we parboil these so they're done. All we wanna do is just brown them off. Nothing like the sound of a fryer.
No.
Especially if it's full of taters, y'all. All right, our sweet potatoes are ready. If you would chop us up a little fresh basil.
Sure.
I think the fresh basil would be wonderful. Now, I'm gonna dump our sweet potatoes out onto some paper towel to help drain some of that on.
Do you season them at all?
I'm glad you asked me that because here is the question. Do you want them seasoned with salt or do you want them seasoned with sugar?
I like salt.
Okay. Well, I tell you what, why don't we, so you can compare taste, salt one end and sugar the other?
I like the way you think.
And that way you'll be able to taste and compare right there on the scene. Do you know sweet potatoes are good for you?
Are they? Even fried?
Absolutely.
That could go bad.
So tell me what you think. Are they good?
I love them fried. That's going to be my new favorite way.
So listen, I want to ask you to help me tell everybody goodbye because it's that time.
Love and best dishes from our kitchen to yours.
That's exactly right. Till next time. Thank you, darling.
Thank you.
Eat up. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.